Today is January 15, 2021. Over 2 million people seized from coronavirus. That is a huge number. It's not 1 year over yet. When it start March 15 quarantine. Yeah, it's a big number. Very good website, World Metering for coronavirus. You can find any information about any country, what's going on. Very good website. Yeah, numbers going up every day. So many people got coronavirus infected. You can look on the top here. New cases 6,014, 027, 614,000. So far 12,055 just for one day. Well, stay safe. Thank you for looking. Good luck.